Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can log into Instagram using your email or even using your phone number. Also, we'll look up some other alternative like how you can log into your Instagram account. Like we'll look after even with social media account, and if it's available with Google login as well, we'll look all those login options. So let's get started. The very first step is download and install the application on your mobile, and you can see the application, right? Just tap over there, and then all right, so once you tap on that, you'll see this window will pop up where you can enter your login details and you can log in. So the very first thing is either you have to enter your phone number or email right over here. So I'm going to use my email. So this is my email. All right, so since it's already registered, it doesn't ask for anything else. And let's get back to where we started, right? So suppose if we add new account, so put your phone number over here. All right, even you can enter your username, and then you can enter your password, and then click on this login. And if you don't have an account, you can simply log in with your Facebook account by simply clicking to this option right over here. So I'll just cancel that. So we do have three different options. First with your phone number, second with your email, and the third one with your Facebook and even with your username. So yeah, we have four. It seems we do have four different options for the login. So once you enter these details correctly, you can click on this login and you'll be logged in. Suppose, let's say, if I click this, enter password and tap on the login, then so this is my Instagram account which I'm just logged in. Okay, all right, so this is how you can log into your account. Thank you so much for watching.